Hello and welcome to the Virtual Grim Room. My name is Jack, your host, and today I'm bringing you another shaving video. So, what is my soap of choice today? Today I'm going to be using another soap from Tallow and Still, and this is a limited release. This is Yakushima. The scent notes on this one are described as Japanese pine, yuzu, which is a majority of the scent, Yakushima cedarwood, spice bush, which is also known as kuromoji, Japanese pepper leaves. The scent is green, it's very spicy, it's very sweet because of the yuzu. It's a very interesting scent. This was on limited release. Sold out very quickly. I don't think I've ever seen something from Tallow and Still sell out as fast as that, and frankly, it's just a testament to what they do, you know. I mean, I have to say, like, the way it's packaged is just wonderful. Don't get me wrong, like, it's a generic white tub, but there's if you can hear that there's like a texture to the labeling, and it's wonderful. The actual kind of like label is really cool as well. Kind of what you would expect from Tallow and Still. Looking forward to using that, and I have the matching splash as well right here. So that's my software for today. I'm going to be shaving back with the straight again. So this is my custom 8/8 Max Sprecher. This is half hollow with a midi blade, small barber's notch in there. I'm going to be doing the first pass with that, and I'm going to be finishing off with the Christopher Bradley again, the stainless steel Christopher Bradley. I'm going to be using the same Voskhod I did last time. It's still shaving fine, so I'm going to continue with that. Kind of new gear then. I've recently purchased 2 brushes. This one is wonderful. Let me shake out the water so you can have a look. Okay, so this is from a company called, if you can see that there, this is from Anvil Shaving. This is made in Ireland, and this brush is made out of 5,000-year-old Irish oak. It is stunning. It's got a really dense, kind of like jelly Silvertip knot in this. It's just wonderful. I really like this brush. I've been looking at one of his brushes for a pretty long time here, and I just at one point just decided, look, it's been a while, let's just get it. So yeah, really looking forward to shaving with this stuff today. I'm gonna go away, kind of prep my face, and I guess I'll see you guys for lathering up. See you in a sec. Okay guys, a brush has been loaded here. All I'm gonna do is wet my face, and then we'll get to lathering. Okay, so this is a no prep shave. In fact, what we'll do is I'll show you how to use this pre-shave. This is from Grooming Department, and this is unscented. By unscented, there's a bit of a scent. It's pretty plain. Doesn't smell of much at all, but again, it probably shouldn't. So all I do here is just get a little bit. It's a pretty weird consistency. It's kind of similar to petroleum jelly. You get that here, as you can see. And all I'm going to do here is kind of emulsify in my hands and really spread it in. So it's recommended that you spread it in for at least a minute. I'm not entirely sure how necessary that is, if I'm completely honest, because even now, also if you keep dipping your hands in water and keep working it. So what this does, from my experience, is if you've ever used a soap that leaves a very fatty layer behind, I think that'll do. Yeah, I think that'll do nicely. If you've ever used a soap that leaves a very fatty layer, this basically adds that fatty layer. They're very protective, slick, fatty layer. It does a pretty good job at adding that. So what I'm doing here, as you can see, is just adding the loose soap from the puck. Just get that on the skin. And then we'll get to actually lathering up. The scent of this is beautiful. I personally get quite a lot of the spice and the pepper. And then the finish is quite sweet. Tallow and Still are, you know, one of my favorite artisans. They have, for me, one of my favorite soap bases. And also, everything about that company to me just seems quality. Okay, so here's the brush. Let's lather up. Just paint a good amount of this on, and then we'll spray the brush. So this is very dry at the moment. My first experience with this brush, I pretty much loaded really heavy, and it did a fantastic job. So we're gonna do that again today. I loaded for about 45 seconds. My rule of thumb, I've said this before, with synthetics I load about 30. With any natural hair brushes, I load from about 40 to 55. People complain that it wastes a lot of soap. I have about 60 soaps. I don't need to worry about wasting them. Spray the brush here. If you like wooden brushes, I think this is the guy to go with. I'd also like to say he's a lovely dude as well. He gives fantastic service. Yeah, I can't really recommend Black Anvil enough. You see the lather erupting here. It's doing an admirable job. So we're just going to keep adding water to this. This can take quite a bit of water, this base. Not as much as some, so you need to be careful still. Got a hair somewhere. Driving me mental. Let's keep painting this on here. So because I'm going to be using the straight, like I discussed in my video with Kai, if you haven't watched that yet, go watch it. It's really good. The guy really knows his stuff. You should be looking for a slicker lather as opposed to a real voluminous lather, because frankly, that is what's important when you're using a straight razor. So this is pretty slick at the moment. It has a decent kind of like sheen to it, but we can still add a bit more water, I think, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle water on here. Don't want too much because that will collapse it, and you know, you don't want to collapse lather. So yeah, I've been enjoying making videos for you guys. I've done, including this one, about 3 in a week. I'm probably not going to be able to maintain this, but while I have a bit, you know, while I can, why not, you know? Let's have a look at the consistency here. So that's very wet, as you can see by the application here, but we're going to keep working it on. Okay, I'm actually pretty happy with that, so let's get to shaving. Okay, very nice. Very wet. Decent volume. It's not the most voluminous lather you're ever going to see. To be honest, they don't really produce a soap base like that anyway, if I'm completely honest, so yeah. It's where it needs to be for me. Okay. Let's get the razor here. So get it wet. And let's go, let's do our first pass. Very nice. Very nice. So we're gonna do just a simple first pass, then a cross grain, and then we'll clean up with the Christopher Bradley. Lather that there. Let's go on this side now. I might be cleaning it far too incessantly, but hey. Very nice, okay. That's our first pass. Let me kind of get the microfiber to the razor. Kind of trying to expose the limit to water as much as you can, really. Okay. So then all I do here is just put the cloth I was using on top of the razor, just rinse my face, and I'll be back to pass 2. See you in a sec. Hey guys, pass 2 time, let's lather up. Very nice here. The scent strength on this is probably maybe a 6. But to be honest, the type of scent it is, it needs to be balanced, because it finishes quite sweet, and I think if it was overpowering, it would be a problem. Okay. Let's go cross grain here. Man, this grip does fuck me up a bit, but we'll get it. There we go. Not particularly great with my left hand, so I'm going to do another with the grain pass. And then we'll clean up with the Karve. Okay, that'll do for today, I think, with the straight. So get it dry here. Again, just limit the exposure to water. So opening the cloth kind of like this, and really getting into all the crevices you can, really, because again, you don't really want water lying around, especially on the edge and stuff like that. So let's really get in there. Okay, so that's good for me. So I'm just going to get that, put that aside here, and we'll finish off with the Christopher Bradley. Still heaps of lather in here, as you can see, there's loads. Okay, so Christopher Bradley, probably 4th use of this Voskhod, so I'm not going to shave with it many more times. Although it's still pretty damn smooth, I have to say. Very nice. The soap is providing ample amounts of slickness, kind of as you'd expect from tallow and steel. To be honest, this blade is still going strong, like I'm pretty surprised. I've never found the longevity on these blades to be particularly great, so the fact that this one is still doing the job is ideal. Bit of a feel around here. Okay, I think we're good here. So like always, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all the loose soap from this brush. Should be tons. Yep, there's quite a lot. Let's make a face wash out of this, and we'll be on our way. It's just wonderful. Unfortunately, the picking up the soap now is going to be very difficult. People don't really want to let things like this go. There's a bit there I kind of want to cut. Give me a minute. So all I would do here is leave this hand with soap. And there's a bit I want to get kind of to the side of my jaw. So wipe off this hand. Wipe the razor a bit. sorted. And then again, just go over. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna kind of clean up my gear, do everything I need to here, and I will catch you guys for the post shave. I'll see you in a sec. Hey guys, back for the post shave. That was a good shave, very good shave. Okay, how's the face feeling? Again, you don't really need an aftershave with these products, most of them anyway, so, but we're gonna do it anyway, because why not? Yakushima, is that focusing? Yakushima Aftershave Splash. The thing I like about the aftershave splashes from Tallow and Steel, they come out like this white milky liquid. I mean, you probably can't see how white this is. There it is, you can a little bit. Yeah, very white, very milky. No sting at all. Wonderful, really wonderful. In fact, I wonder if there's alcohol in this. No, I actually don't think there is. Apparently there is. I feel no alcohol burn whatsoever, so it's kind of interesting. Maybe it's in very small quantities. I mean, you never know, right? Yeah, that's our shave today, guys. As I said, did it in a week. Really enjoying doing this at the moment. If you're new around here and haven't yet subscribed, I'd really appreciate if you consider doing so. Apart from that, yeah, my name is Jack. Have a great week. It's Wednesday today, so there's 2 more days left of the week, after today, of course. But yeah, apart from that, my name is Jack, your host from the Virtual Green Room. Goodbye for now.